Hello, welcome back guys to Sporaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to enable keyboard in Yandex on iPhone. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support this channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Well guys, firstly of course you just have to open your Yandex applications over here. And if you wanna enable it for the keyboard, just go ahead to this three slice icon at the bottom. Now tap on this keyboard options. After, tap on this add. Now, we'll find that the option which is keyboard here. So here you just have to tap on the toggle beside it, and also you just have to activate this allow full access from the keyboard in Yandex, guys. So yeah, now we just have to go back to the Yandex, and in this Yandex we can select the Yandex keyboard, guys. We can manage our keyboard by ourselves. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.